We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2017 Harley-Davidson Street 500 in vivid black. These are perfect little urban motorcycles. That's what they were designed for. Great entry-level motorcycle as well. It's got the 500cc engine in it. This one has LEDs for the turn signals in the rear as well. And these motorcycles are not complicated, just a really easy, basic bike to ride. That's why it's so great for a beginner. Not too much power, but enough if you want to get out of the way. We also have the rear seat cowl on this, and it comes with that Saddleman seat. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are available for test rides 6 days a week.